Hey guys, today we're going to be creating this classic smoky eye look with a little bit of a twist. If you want to see how to create this look, then keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start by priming our eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. We're just going to dab a little bit on each eye and blend that in all the way up to our eyebrow. Now that that's done, we're going to take our Jaclyn palette in color Silk Cream. And we're going to use just an e.l.f. blending brush and put that color all over our lid. And now this is going to be the fun part. We're going to start out with the Maybelline Eye Studio Potted Eyeliner in black. It looks like that. And then I'm going to take the Morphe M443 brush, which is an eyeliner brush. We're going to dip into that. We're going to put it on the inner portion of our lids. So really try to not get it in the crease section, but just on the eyelid. Yeah, so my natural crease is right here, but I put it right underneath where that crease is going to be. So that way I have a little bit of room to blend it, and whenever I look up, it doesn't transfer to the top of my lid. Alright, and now that we look really scary, we are going to take, we're going to take the Morphe M443 brush and dip into Abyss in the Jaclyn palette. We're going to pat and blend this up. Not really blending it out, but just up into that crease area that we missed before with the eyeliner. This will take a long time, so really be patient with it and try to keep it as low as possible while you're doing those windshield wiper and back and forth motions. So that way you can get it as blended out and clean as you can before you start adding in the other shadows. Now I'm going to get this blending brush from the Gold Collection in Morphe. I'm going to dip into butter and I'm going to start to blend out that black shade on top of my crease, just going back and forth, making sure there are no harsh lines. We're going to use our M441 brush from Morphe, and we're going to dip into Hunts and focus it on our outer edge of our eyes and then blending it upwards. This is where you'll really start to get that smoky look, blending into the black. Jazz and buns, and do the same thing. Start from the outer edges with those round motions, and then start to windshield wipe back and forth. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to put those away. We're going to use our Morphe M167 brush and dip into SBN in the Jaclyn palette, which stands for Smoky But Natural. So I'll put this on the middle part of my lid. Just dab it in real well. And then I took my finger and I smudged it around, back and forth. Go into Obsessed, which is the color right beside it, and then I'm going to just pat that right in the center of my lid. And then blend it out just a little bit with my finger. And there we go. That's exactly the look we're wanting to go with. Okay, and now we're going to clean it up just a little bit. A makeup remover wipe with our fingers. And then we're going to, whoa, that's not my mirror. We're gonna drag it out. Just like that. And just clean up the edges just a little bit. I'm gonna go on with the NYX Epic Liner. And we're gonna do a really big wing with this. And then we'll bring it to the side and follow that line that we just made. And bring it all the way back. There we go. Now let's see if we can make this one look the same. I don't know if we can. Alright, not too bad. So now we're going to finish our face. I'm gonna go through my foundation pretty quickly without explaining what I'm using. Except for some of the stuff that I haven't used on this channel. But if you want to see an in-depth foundation routine, I'm going to link my video for that up above and down below in the description box. So feel free to go watch that if you want to see how I do my foundation really in-depth and step by step. Okay, now that most of my face is done, we're going to start out with our lower lashes. And in the JaclynxMorphe Palette, we're going to go into Butter first. And we're going to take Ulta crease brush and go into Butter and really just kind of put that all underneath our lashes from the inside to the outside. We're going to get our Ulta smudger brush and we're going to go into buns with that Ulta smudger brush and really start to smoke out a little bit underneath our lashes. And kind of connect it to that wing that we have on the side. Dip into Soda Pop. Very lightly tap off a lot of that excess. And put it just on the outer portion of our lash line, kind of bringing it down a little bit. And with that same smudger brush, we're going to wet it just a little bit and dip into both Obsessed and SBN in the JaclynxMorphe Palette. And put that right in the center of our lower lash line. You can even bring it in to the inner portion of your lash line if you want to do that as well. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and coat it all over our lashes. And if you are the kind of girl who likes to use falsies, feel free to put those in too. I'm pretty sure this is a perfect look to use falsies on, but I really don't need them. So now we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution SophX highlighting palette. And this thing is insane. It has so many crazy fun colors that you can choose from. Now I'm going to dip into these top two right here. And first I'm going to use my Morphe fan brush, which is the Morphe 310 brush. And I'm going to put that all over my cheeks. And then I'm going to grab my Morphe 510 brush. I'll dip into those same colors and do the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then now we're going to go on with the lips. So for today's lip liner, we're going to be using the NYX liner in Cabaret. And we're going to go all over our lips with this. And then what I figured out with liner is I like to kind of fill in my lips with the liner, and that makes the liquid lipstick last a little longer. Going with the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in color Trap Queen. It has gold flakes in it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but oh my goodness, it is pretty. Okay, all right, and now we're going to just set our face. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully this taught you some tips and tricks on how to create a nice classic smoky eye look. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment down below. And you can subscribe to my channel and see weekly videos every Thursday at 10 a.m. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, until next time, bye!